Hi, how are you doing? This is Maria Elena Northup, director with Lemongrass Spa, coming to you with a stress relieving facial with all the proper facial steps, instructions, tips that you can use with lemongrass or with anything for that matter. And I'm going to share with you some fun things to add to help your facial be relaxing, a nice nighttime routine, or maybe you want to switch it up a little bit to something else. So the questions that have been coming in a lot for me is, how do I address my wrinkles? How do I address my brown spots and my blemishes? And we're going to get started. I'm going to provide to you some tips and tricks that you want to know about age defying. And a lot of these tips apply to you and to how you would take care of your skin, whether you are at home using organic products that you make, or maybe you're just using up some other products that you want to use up before you get into your organic products, whatever it is. So the first 4 things you want to remember to do is to cleanse. It's important to know how to cleanse and to know what to and what not to cleanse with. You want to hydrate. You want to moisturize. And once you get to being 25 or getting towards 30, you want to start thinking about how you're going to add elasticity back into your skin so that your skin doesn't basically, in short, fall apart, develop lines and red lines and bumps underneath and discoloration and all sorts of things like that. So I'm going to start with our anti-aging cleansing oil. This is a 2-in-1 facial cleanser and makeup remover. It gently lifts makeup, dirt, and oil from skin. It's formulated with a unique blend of natural antioxidants like argan and sunflower oil to encourage a soft, clear, and bright complexion. Now, I love to use this for a number of reasons, and I'm going to show you one of the reasons I love it the most. Or actually a couple of reasons I love it the most. But for those of you who are more concerned about blemishes, acne, brown spots, and just balancing out the discoloration on your skin, I want to introduce you to an advanced recipe. It's called Prebiotic Facial Wash. And the Prebiotic Facial Wash is pH balanced for cleansing. It naturally removes impurities in makeup. The prebiotic formula helps improve the look and feel of skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines, discoloration, acne, and redness when used over time. This formula cleanses the skin without destroying the good bacteria present on the skin, which are necessary for cell regeneration. So we use this at home in our hair and on our full body. This is the facial one. We have a body and a facial wash one. And actually, we tend to just get this large bottle. Lavender mint is our favorite. And it does this really remarkable thing where it washes away the bad bacteria and it feeds the good bacteria. So what happens over time is really remarkable using this product. The reason why I am going to share with you my anti-aging cleansing gel nighttime routine is that it's extra relaxing because I add a little something to it. So what I want to say is for an extra relaxing ingredient, you want to go ahead and grab a clean cloth and have it in some hot water. So you gave yourself a nice little steaming facial treatment. And I'm going to give you the short version of this. You can take as long as you want. And I'm going to go ahead and place this over my face and get my face a little bit moist. So I'm just going to let the steam do its job. And I'm inhaling the steam. And the moisture is good for preparing my skin for a nice facial wash. Now, you're probably going to want to do that for a little bit longer in your bathroom because it feels great. I am putting some moisture on my skin because the cleansing oil works really wonderful with a little moisture on your skin. Now, I typically use about 4 drops and it comes out really, really slow, which is wonderful because all of our oils are made with really high-end ingredients. So a little bit does a wonderful transformation to your skin, and it goes a long way. What I like to do when I'm extra stressed is take one little drop of lavender oil, and if you're worried that it's not dissolved properly, we're going to use this to wash our skin, so it's going to get washed off. But the act of massaging your face is one nice treatment. Now you could use a lemongrass or something like frankincense. You can pick whatever scent you want. Lavender is great for a number of things for your skin, so is frankincense. I like lavender when I'm having a hard time sleeping. And so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to wash your face, and I'm going to teach you how to give yourself a facial massage, which is great for sinus pressure, sinus infections, things like that. So to properly wash your face, you want to take whatever you're using to wash your face and rub it in circular motions, okay? Now, if you're using the prebiotic wash, like a normal wash, not an oil cleanser, you're going to get in front of your ears, you're going to get behind your ears, and you're going to get down your neck. You're going to make sure that you're getting all of the areas in a circular motion. And what I want you to imagine is, in order to do a really thorough job, I want you to imagine that your fingertips with those fingerprints on them are actually all of the exfoliation that people need and that your skin really deserves for anti-aging properties, okay? Now I say that because it's very easy to over exfoliate. For example, for most skin types, you don't want to wash your face with a washcloth every single night. You want to use something that is a very unabrasive washcloth if you do. And so next I'm going to give myself, and if I'm wearing mascara, I actually put a little bit more on here, but I don't normally wear mascara. I'm a 5-step makeup girl. And I love our anti-aging tinted moisturizer and our what is it? The highlighters, and I use our eyeshadow to do everything on my eyes, including my liner and my eyebrows. Okay, so for the sinus pressure massage, you're going to massage over your eyebrows, and you don't have to press hard. But it is nice to just give this treatment to yourself for a couple minutes. It's good for your health. Okay, so now I'm taking this finger and my pointer finger, and I'm massaging the back of my ear and the front of my ear. Okay, and you can do that to both sides. Now, if you have a Grey's Anatomy book on your shelf, or if you just want to Google the anatomy of this area, the anatomy of your sinus area, you're going to find that there's an area here that's connected to here, and then there's an area here which is connected down to your throat, and these come this way. And while all that is happening, if you have an ear infection or ear pain, go ahead and give this an extra push right here to help drain everything. What you're going to find is that it's all really connected, and you're helping it all drain. Okay? So now that you've given yourself this really nice facial massage, love this. I could do this for another 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the makeup. Now, if you're wondering how I use so little makeup, it really is in the face care. So I want you to think about an art canvas, and how much paint does an artist need to cover up the canvas before he first starts getting the paint going. Really depends on the setup of the canvas. So if the canvas is in great quality and has been prepared, for example, we would prepare our skin with Microdermabrasion. Sorry, children coming in. So you really want to get your canvas ready, and we do that with microdermabrasion and anti-aging moisturizing steps, all that I'm going to show you here. So on a regular routine, I would love to show you the microdermabrasion. If you're hearing a bunch of noise in the background, it's time for my kids to go to bed, and my husband's getting them ready for bed. Okay, so microdermabrasion is a treatment that you do 1 to 2 times a week. It comes in a bottle like this. It actually looks just like this, but this is a different cream. And you're going to do that 1 to 2 times. You can do it during the day or you can do it at night. And what that does is it basically massages the fine lines to being barely noticeable. It removes a lot of the brown spots, fades other brown spots, and just gets your canvas completely prepared for these wonderful treatments that I'm about to share with you. So that's one of my top 5 must-haves on your face care. Okay, so we just taught you how to cleanse, but what we also taught you was how to hydrate and add elasticity to your skin. And that's one of the reasons why I love this anti-aging cleansing oil. My face is not oily. My face actually feels exactly the way it should feel all the time. It's dewy. It's just very bouncy, elastic. I can feel it's so healthy right now just with the anti-aging cleansing oil. And can I tell you, I've been using this for like 3 months. It lasts forever. And it's also been really great for my daughter's dry scalp. I put this on her dry scalp like once every 3 weeks and massage it into her head. The oils that are in this, and our products are engineered by organic chemists, so it's no secret to anyone that's been using lemongrass for a long time that each of our products have some really unique traits to them that you can use for other things as other solutions. And that using this for dry scalp for my daughter has been really wonderful. You just need 4 drops like every 3 weeks, massage it into the scalp, shampoo it all out, and it does, this oil that's in here does this great job with like getting into the pores and the cracks and the crevices of things. It's like all oils are not created equal, and I just love how they engineered this. And I thought to myself, you know what, I think that would be perfect for my daughter, and you know what, it was. So I want to share that with you. So we talked about how for brown spotting and discoloration, you want to use the prebiotic facial wash. Now, you might use this during the day and the anti-aging oil cleanser at night. It really is just an option. There's so many choices, and where you want to get started in reversing some skin damage and transforming your skin could be 1 or 2 steps, and helping you decide is part of my job. So a professional consultation is available to you, and information on a professional consultation is in my YouTube classes at Maria North. So the next thing we want to do is, especially if you're doing a daytime routine. So this is typically a nighttime routine because you're taking your makeup off, you're getting the lavender on your skin, you're relaxing. But for a daytime routine, you want to hydrate your skin. And you can hydrate your skin for something that's excellent for the brown spots, the red spots, the rosacea, the acne. Or you can hydrate your skin with an advanced age-defying hydrator. This is the Rose Water Facial Mist. And it's handcrafted, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. And all of our products are cruelty-free and gluten-free. We have a vegan list. This hydrating mist infused with rose water and witch hazel helps tone, soften, and balance the look of skin, restoring radiance and leaving a glowing, dewy finish. It also is anti-inflammatory, so a lot of people have been using this for their acne. Now, it doesn't smell like rose. It used to smell like rose, and they added an ingredient in here so that it wouldn't spoil as quickly, and so it doesn't smell like really anything now. So just so you know, some people love the smell of rose, some people don't. So okay, so at nighttime you're gonna definitely add some eye cream to your routine if you are going for age defying. Now you can add 1 eye cream, which will hydrate, transform your eyes, help with the puffiness and the discoloration, or you can go with 2. You can do the one here that helps with the things I said, and then you can add the Prebiotic Gel, and actually this one goes on first. This cooling eye gel targets dark circles, puffy, tired eyes with a dose of caffeine and green tea, while probiotics balance sensitive eye area, and pomegranate extract helps boost elasticity while targeting fine lines and wrinkles. So this one, I typically put these both on in the morning and at night to make sure that my eyes are getting that rested, nutrients and hydration all night long. I use the Repair Eye Cream. Now yours will look different than mine because eye cream lasts forever. Again, our ingredients are so pure, they go a really long way. And so I'll show you, I'm going to put this amount on my ring finger. And when you take care of your eyes, you want to follow these instructions. You want to put a tiny amount on your ring finger. And you want to dab gently around your occipital bone. You don't want to press or rub and then above your eyebrow, okay? You don't want to press or rub, and you don't need to spread it because the gravity of your eye bone will pull it into your eyes. Now, already you've done enough for your skin to wake up in the morning and have a noticeable difference in your skin. You're going to see transformation. You're going to use these products for at least 6 months straight, and you're going to notice that you can go a week before your skin starts to get dull and discolored and all those things that you have been working so hard to prevent. So, and my eye cream lasts me 12 to 18 months, and I use it for my eyes morning and night. But it's also my favorite thing for my lips. It helps my lips to not only be super moisturized, healthy, and happy, but it makes them more pronounced. So it's really my absolute favorite go-to item for my lips. Okay, so we're going to let that eye cream dry. I probably put too much on because I put too much on my lips. I wanted to show you, I wanted to put the Prebiotic Eye Gel. I should have put this on first. I have customer testimonials at vip.marianorth.com that shows you that when you use the Probiotic Eye Gel, you put this on first, and then you put on your Repair Eye Cream or your Hydrating Eye Cream. We have 2 different eye creams. So if you have really dry eyes, we have everything you need. The Probiotic Eye Gel pictures show women, they show their pictures of what their eyes look like, very droopy, very discolored, and in 15 minutes you can see they've already tightened. But what I've noticed with mine is not only do they tighten so that they look like this, but they, if they're purple or red or anything like that from just, you know, being sick or stressed out or tired, that discoloration disappears. So that's a really nice thing. Okay, so now we're talking about lightening your skin. This is a targeted lightener. So you want to apply this to the areas on your face that are brown spots. And people use this not only on their face, they use this on their whole body, on their hands, on their arms, you name it. If there's a brown spot, they apply this, and you apply it every single day, and you'll notice a difference. It's a targeted treatment. It combats hyperpigmentation with an effective combination of hyaluronic acid and plant-derived lighteners. This serum can reduce discoloration, brighten skin tone, encourage a youthful glow, and improve texture. Now, how I apply this is I take 1 little drop, which is enough for my targeted area. I have brown spots up here around my forehead, and the viscosity is very thick, so a little bit goes a really long way. I've been using this lightening serum for probably 2 months straight, and I have 2/3 left. And then I have a little bit of brown spots here. So also wherever you put it, it's not only going to lighten it, but it's going to tighten it, and it's going to brighten it. So it will lighten your skin entirely. So if you put it on your whole face and you don't want your whole face to lighten, then you want to go to the vitamin C serum. Now, the vitamin C serum is an item that everyone really needs for their skin. from 30 on up. If you can't do 30, 35 on up, I understand. At 30, you're like paying off student loans, and there's just so many things that are still on your debt list. The way I like to describe vitamin C serum is it's the one item that does almost all 4 of those 4 top important things that I told you about, but it also has some really powerful ingredients in it that prevent your skin from falling apart. So falling apart is all those things we talked about, where your skin starts to sag and discolor, bumps start coming up, random, like I have this random red spot here that was like very dark, and so I've been making sure that I use my vitamin C serum every day. This is also going to tighten and brighten your skin. It's going to address the brown spots. It's not as anywhere near as strong as a lightening serum for brown spots, but it will address them. It's a daily multivitamin for your skin. This powerful and effective serum targets a multitude of skincare concerns enriched with vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and fortifying MSM. The fast-absorbing formula revives your complexion, rebuilds elasticity, retains hydration, and promotes healthy collagen production, reveals smoother, more vibrant skin with each use. So, number 1, also recommended by dermatologists. I'm going to take 4 drops, and I'm going to press it into my skin, and I'm definitely going to remember my neck here. Now, if you have a jade roller, which we offer, you want to go ahead and use your jade roller at this point. And if this is a nighttime routine, we have 2 very important recommendations. We have your anti-aging oil serum, which you want to go to bed with on your skin. And you only need a drop. If you use more, it's better. But 1 drop for your face every single night. This will last you 9 to 12 months. 1 drop for your face and your neck, obviously, cuts in half, 6 months. You're then going to add your overnight ultra lift cream. And so 1 drop to make it last a really long time. I put it on my top important areas with my finger. Okay, and because I did all these other wonderful things for my skin, my canvas, aka my face, is in really perfect shape for that 1 drop to cover my whole face and my whole neck. And that is one of the other things I want to point out about the products. The longer you use them, the less you need for almost all of the facial products. So 1 drop of anti-aging serum as time goes on, it might be half of that 1 drop. 4 drops to start off with your prebiotic facial wash will get you down eventually all the way to needing only half a drop. And there's different techniques that I can help you with, and there's tons of other products. These are not all of them. So you certainly want to schedule a professional consultation, because you might have super sensitive skin, or there might be something really, really special you want to target, like brown spots or scars, really difficult red spots, things that you've struggled with your whole life, and we have solutions for those. So for the overnight ultra lift, you're going to take a small amount. I use my pinky because this stuff, a little bit goes a long way, and this does more than just ultra lift, ultra brighten, and make your skin feel so soft and look so young. It also has ingredients that addresses a lot of those things we talked about, like the brown, the bumps, and the redness and the discoloration that happens in your skin. Now, these products will all be absorbed in my skin in about 5 minutes, and I put them all on. Typically, you do about 5 or 6 tops in the morning or the night, and I can help you build your AM or PM routine. It's very easy. If you ever have any questions, I've already been doing this for over 6 years. This is 2021 right now, and I can't wait to hear what your challenges are, and I've helped hundreds find solutions, so I can't wait to help you. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.